In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge error loading page issue with 3 simple steps that can solve the problem fast. This is a great fix if a website is not opening properly, keeps refreshing, shows a blank page, or Edge is blocking the site from loading correctly. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should try is opening the website in a private window. To do that, open Microsoft Edge, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, and select New in Private Window. Then try loading the same website again. A private window helps you test whether the issue is being caused by saved browsing data, cookies, or a browser setting that is interfering with the page. If the site opens in private mode, that gives you a strong clue that the problem is related to your normal browser session and not necessarily the website itself. If the error still appears, don't worry, we've still got a couple more fixes to try. Next, go to the Extensions page and turn off all extensions. Extensions can sometimes block scripts, interfere with page content, or cause loading problems without you realizing it. To check this, click the 3 dots again, go to Extensions, and then open the Manage Extensions page. You'll see a list of every extension installed in Edge. Toggle off each extension one by one or disable them all temporarily. After that, go back and try loading the website again. If the page works now, then one of your extensions is probably the cause. You can turn the Mac on one at a time to figure out which one is triggering the error. This step is especially useful if you have ad blockers, privacy tools, coupon extensions, or custom security add-ons installed. Now for the third fix, change tracking prevention from strict to balanced. Microsoft Edge's tracking prevention feature is useful for privacy, but if it's set too aggressively, it can sometimes prevent websites from loading correctly. To change it, open Edge Settings, then go to Privacy, Search, and Services. Find the Tracking Prevention section and check the current setting. If it's set to strict, switch it to balanced. Balanced is the recommended middle ground because it still gives you protection while allowing more websites to function normally. After making that change, close and reopen the page you were trying to visit. In many cases, that alone will resolve the loading error. So to quickly recap, first try the site in a private window, then disable all extensions, and finally change tracking prevention from strict to balanced. These 3 steps solve a lot of Microsoft Edge page loading problems without needing anything complicated. If the video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy computer fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.